Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you another new airdrop, and the name of the project is GoldFish. They already have 47k followers and this project is based in the United States. So what is this project about and what are they building? Their tagline is real-time gold reserve backed secured on-chain. So basically they are a blockchain based platform that issues a gold backed digital asset called GGBR. Each token represents physical gold. They are also building a decentralized ecosystem with a governance token called GFIN along with activity rewards tied to community engagement and participation. If you want more information about them, you can visit their website. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram post link in the video description. You need to click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. After coming to this page, click on Connect Wallet. Then connect your wallet. Confirm the request and your wallet will be connected. Here you will find your referral link. If you share this referral link and refer someone, you will get 5% commission from their total income. Now scroll down a bit. After scrolling down, you can see join our Discord. Click there. Accept the invite. And then you need to verify. Click on verify. Then click on continue. Again, click on continue. Solve the CAPTCHA. And you will be verified. After that, find the get roles option. And click on events. Then click on socials. Here you can see that 2 roles have been added. Now scroll down a little. You will find the GM channel. Go there. After coming here, just type GM and send it. After sending, you can see your GM message there. Then go to the gold chat section, type a message, and that's done. Now go back to the airdrop page again and scroll down a bit. Here they ask you to connect your X account, so click on Connect X. Authorize it. And you will be redirected to this page. After coming to this page, all your profile information will be shown here. Here you also need to connect your Discord, so click on link. Authorize it. And done. Then click on the quest section. You will come back here where you need to complete a few tasks. For example, click on start. Follow their X profile. And done. Again, click on start. Like the post. Make a comment and done. Like this, you must complete all the remaining tasks. After completing these tasks, go back to our Telegram post. After coming to the post, click on this second link. You will be taken to a form like this. First, check your email. Then it asks for your Discord username. Go to your Discord profile. Copy your username. And paste it here. Next, it asks for your Discord ID. If you don't know how to enable Discord ID, first click on settings, then scroll down until you find advanced and click on it. There you will find the developer mode option. If it's turned off, make sure to turn it on. Then go back to your Discord profile. Here you will find your ID. Click on it and it will automatically copy. Paste the ID here. Then it asks for the tweet link. That means you have to make a tweet about them and submit the link here. I already made a tweet, but remember you must add these 2 tags with the tweet. Post it. Copy the link of your post. Paste the link here. Submit. And done. If you have any problem understanding anything, let me know in the comments where you didn't understand. I'll try to give a solution. Please like and share this video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.